Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best Epoxyshield Garage Floor Coating is probably one of the most durable and aesthetically pleasing options available for transforming your garage space, offering a professional-grade finish that can withstand heavy traffic, oil spills, and everyday wear and tear, making it an excellent investment for homeowners looking to enhance both the functionality and appearance of their garage. Number 5. Rust-Oleum Epoxyshield Premium Clear Garage Floor Coating Kit. Introducing a revolutionary coating kit designed to give your garage floor a stunning, showroom-quality finish. It's perfect for protecting concrete surfaces in garages, basements, and workshops. Experience superior adhesion and exceptional durability with our advanced formula. It's built to withstand daily wear and tear, including hot tire pickup. Enjoy a safer application process thanks to its low odor and low VOC formula. This makes it ideal for interior use on both coated and bare concrete. Our innovative burst pouch design makes application simple and efficient, minimizing waste. Get a heavy-duty coating that's ready for foot traffic in just 24 hours. Achieve a high-gloss protective finish that not only looks incredible but also provides long-lasting protection. Your floor will look its best for years to come. Get your garage back to normal quickly. It's ready for vehicle traffic just 72 hours after application, offering convenience and peace of mind. What we like. This option offers a low odor and low VOC formula, making it safer for indoor use. It provides excellent adhesion and durability with a high gloss finish. If you're looking for a classic, showroom quality floor that's easy to maintain and relatively quick to get back on, this is a great choice for your garage or basement. What people say. The product is very durable and has held up well against heavy traffic and chemicals. Application was straightforward and the finish looks professional. The coating provides excellent protection against stains and is easy to clean. Number 4. Rust-Oleum Rocksolid Metallic Garage Floor Coating Kit. Introducing a revolutionary concrete coating designed for your interior spaces. It's perfect for garage floors, workshops, basements, and more, offering unparalleled durability. Experience a formula that's 20 times stronger than traditional epoxy. Its self-leveling and buildable nature, combined with low odor and low VOCs, makes application simple and safe. Get your project done fast. You can walk on the coated surface in just 8 to 10 hours, and it's ready for vehicles within 24 hours. Achieve an extreme high-gloss finish in a stunning metallic blue. This coating resists cracking, peeling, and chemical spills, ensuring a beautiful, lasting result. Achieve a showroom-quality floor in a single coat. It's built to last, resisting hot tire pickup and providing a durable, attractive surface. Each kit covers up to 125 square feet, depending on your surface. Cleanup is easy with mineral spirits. What we like. This product boasts a polycuramine formula that is significantly stronger than traditional epoxy, offering superior durability. Its unique metallic finish adds a modern, eye-catching look to your floor. If you desire a floor that's not only incredibly tough but also visually stunning with a quick return to service, this is the one for you. What people say. The coating is very durable and has held up well against hot tires and chemicals. The application process was straightforward, and the finished product looks great. It provided excellent coverage and a smooth, professional-looking finish. Number 3. Rust-Oleum Rocksolid Metallic Garage Floor Coating Kit, Cherry Bomb. Transform your concrete surfaces with our durable, polycuramine coating. It's perfect for garages, basements, and workshops, offering a long-lasting finish. Experience a formula that's 20 times stronger than traditional epoxy. It's self-leveling, buildable, and has low odor and low VOCs for a safer application. Get your space back faster. It's ready for foot traffic in just 8 to 10 hours and vehicle ready within 24 hours. One kit provides ample coverage for up to 125 square feet, depending on your surface. Cleanup is simple with mineral spirits. Achieve an extreme high-gloss, metallic finish that resists cracking, peeling, and chemical spills. Enjoy a showroom-quality floor in just one coat that truly lasts. What we like. Featuring a durable polycuramine concrete coating, this option provides exceptional strength and a unique, vibrant color. It's designed for quick application and a fast return to use. If you want a floor that stands out with a bold color and offers robust protection with minimal downtime, consider this for your workshop or garage. What people say. The coating is very durable and has held up well against heavy foot traffic and vehicle use. Application was straightforward and the finish looks professional. The product provides excellent adhesion and resistance to chemicals and stains. Number 2. Timtin 700G Blend Decorative Color Paint Chips. Get a generous pack of flooring decorative chips, weighing 700G or 1.54 pounds. This kit includes various simple colors to meet all your decorative needs. These paint chips are crafted from natural rock slices, making them small and lightweight. They come in sizes ranging from 2 to 4 mm for a perfect match. These blend epoxy floor flakes are perfect for covering marks and dirt on your walls and floors. They will make your surfaces more stylish and beautiful, enhancing their appearance. Applying them is simple. Just sprinkle a layer onto the ground, then apply paint for permanent adhesion and a finished look. These floor color chips are versatile for both indoor and outdoor projects. They are ideal for garages, basements, showrooms, restaurants, and more. What we like. This is a decorative flake system that adds texture and visual interest to your floor. Made from natural rock slices, these flakes help to hide imperfections and enhance the overall aesthetic. If you're aiming for a more customized, textured look that's easy to apply over existing coatings, these flakes are an excellent way to elevate your garage or basement floor. What people say. The coating is very durable and has held up well against hot tires and chemicals. Application was straightforward, and the finish looks professional and sleek. The coverage was excellent, and it dried to a hard, protective surface. Number 1. Rust-Oleum Anti-Skid Additive. Introducing Rust-Oleum Anti-Skid Additive, the simple solution to improve traction. It's designed to add slip resistance to various coatings. This additive is safe for multiple surfaces including concrete, wood, metal, and fiberglass. It enhances skid resistance without compromising your coating's performance. Experience a consistent, industrial-grade texture thanks to its sand-like particles. They disperse evenly for uniform anti-skid protection. Worried about changing the look? This formula is designed not to alter the appearance or finish of your paint or stain. Application is straightforward. Just stir one package into up to 1 gallon of coating before applying the final coat. Remember to remix periodically during use. What we like. This additive is specifically designed to enhance the safety of your floor by increasing slip resistance. It disperses evenly to provide a consistent, sand-like texture without altering the appearance of your chosen coating. If you have a high-traffic area, a sloped garage entrance, or simply want added peace of mind against slips, especially in wet conditions, this is a crucial addition to your floor coating project. What people say. The coating is very durable and has held up well against heavy foot traffic and vehicle use. Application was straightforward, and the finish looks professional and sleek. The product provides excellent adhesion to concrete, preventing peeling or chipping over time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.